Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Tracy from T-Ray Art Piece. She's absolutely awesome, so if you missed her, please go check her out. There'll be a link in the description. Click on that and you'll be able to find her without a problem. Alright, after me we've got Shannon from Shamby Fluid Art and Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. So stick around, enjoy the ride. What we're going to do today is, I'm just going to have a bit of fun. I'm going to hit record and make it up as I go along and see what crazy stuff I come up with. Like this one. Alrighty, kick back, relax. Let's go.
Through the dark night, seeing clear, my vision's gone, can't see it through. In the fire I try to catch myself, should I lay next to you? How can we fly if we never go? I wanna dive in the everglow. How can we live if we never know? Think I'm ready for your love. Think I'm ready for your love. With you I'll never stop. Think I'm ready for your love. In your atmosphere I tried to wait, I saw a change in me. Full of fear you wouldn't stay, not gonna stop when love was deep. How can we fly if we never go? I wanna dive in the everglow. How can we live if we never know? Think I'm ready for your love. Think I'm ready for your love. With you I'll never stop. Think I'm ready for your love. How can we fly if we never go? I wanna dive in the everglow. How can we fly if we never go? I wanna dive in the everglow. How can we live if we never know?
I saw your name light up my screen again. Thought I blocked the ghost, but here you stand. You say you've changed, like time can bend, but scars don't fade with second chance. You always talk in riddles, baby. Sweet poison in your kiss. I wore your love like armor, but you pulled me into this. Moonlight lies, dancing in the dark. You knew just how to break my heart. Pretty words, they shine and burn, but some bridges don't deserve a return. I'm done with moonlight lies. Your love's just a good disguise. Caught in your spell, like velvet chains. You love the game, I love the pain. I gave you pages, you set fire. Now I'm the song you can't rewind. You always talk in riddles, baby, like I won't read the truth. I stitch myself together. Now there's no room left for you. Moonlight lights dancing in the dark. You knew just how to break my heart. Pretty words, they shine and burn, but some bridges don't deserve return. I'm done with moonlight lights. Your love's just a good disguise. You say you miss me, but you miss the way I bled. Now I'm colder, now I'm wiser. No more tears I haven't shed. Moonlight fades, I see it clear. Your shadow disappears. No more moonlight lies. This heart finally said goodbye. Moonlight lies.
Midnight, and I'm lying wide awake. Your eyes give me chills in every way. Feels right, but it's driving me insane. Whoa. 'Cause I get shivers all down my spine, and I get fever inside my mind. Yeah, I've been trying to keep it all inside, but I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Yeah, you make me awake. It's like you're taking all my air and my oxygen. You make me sick, but you're the best kind of medicine. I can't breathe.
we'll do a flyover of that one. Man, I love just messing around. The things that you can come up with is just absolutely incredible. So, chop and change different techniques. Like, you know, start with a bloom and then run a comb through it and stretch it and dump it, and you'll get all sorts of crazy stuff that looks super cool. So, have a bit of a play. You really can't go wrong. So, alright, up next we've got Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another and you never get lost. If you've liked this, hit like, share and subscribe. You know the drill, all the fun stuff. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.